Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get mentioned only from blogs you're following on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on settings icon. After that, tap on account settings. Then tap on mentions. After that, tap on who can mention. Then you can see the option of only blogs I'm following can mention me. Select on it. So this is how you can get mentioned from blogs you are following on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.